Hey guys, this is Murli from Team Farasbi. Today we are doing a short tutorial on soldering SMD components. Um, for soldering these, we are choosing a small simple circuit consisting of an LED, 470 ohms resistor and a 9 volt battery. So let's get started. First, let's find the anode and the cathode. The horizontal marking indicates the anode, that is the positive terminal of the LED. Let's place the LED between two pads. Now let's take a soldering wire and melt a little bit of solder onto one of the pads. This is soldering the cathode. This is the 470 ohms resistor. This is of size 0805. Let's place it as such. Similarly, let's melt some solder again. This resistor might wiggle, so it's better if you have someone to hold it for you. Now let's solder the battery terminals. Now let's connect the battery. Voila!